Hey guys, it's Ashley, Carolina Trailer Sales, carolinatrailersales.com. We're located in Pine Hall, North Carolina. We are by appointment only, and the best way to reach me is 828-773-4500. So this is a 2017 7208 Merhow. It is all aluminum. It is 7 wide, 7'6" tall. It is in excellent shape, white in color, has the old horse graphics. That horse on the side used to be the graphics they did a couple of years ago. Stainless nose, 2 propane tanks, 1 battery, hydraulic jack. It is an 8-foot short wall, no slide. It has an escape door, 2 drop-down windows with bars. There's no dings, scratches, or anything on this side of the trailer. Aluminum wheels. It does have an added rear ramp. So added rear Merhow ramp, collapsible rear tack, brush box, an extra set of bridle hooks there on the door, collapsible rear tack. It does have a set of bridle hooks inside the left side of the rear tack. 2 saddle stands. That saddle bar does come out. Horse box is in excellent shape. Lower divider, padded airflow divider, fully lined and insulated horse box, 2 roof vents, LED lights on the inside, LED lights on the outside, 2 sliders on the rear. Let me open this door. So it does have that lower divider, padding here on the wall for the first horse. This is a very lightweight trailer, so empty weight is 6,660. Those drop windows do have bars, 2 tie rings per horse. Again, fully lined and insulated. Horse box in excellent shape. Can't really fault this trailer for anything. 2017, it's held up really well. It's actually been here before. I sold it before. I did not sell it new. I did sell it a second time, and it is back here again. It's just a true statement to the Merhow trailers, how the quality stands up over time. Power awning, extruded sides. That's the ribbed aluminum underneath those windows on both sides of the rear of the trailer. Flip up step into the LQ. Again, this is an 8-foot short wall, 2 horse. Cabinets above the couch. The couch does make a bed. 2 drawers below that couch. It does have a flip down armrest with drink holders. Cabinet here to the left, excuse me, my other left. Hanging closet. It's got cabinets in the nose that above those 2 pillows. Does have TV hookup. There is no TV, but TV hookup. Air conditioning, propane furnace. Does have a radio inside, outside speakers. Closet here when you walk in with a hanging bar as well. Camper door. It is a rear kitchen, small fridge, 2-burner gas top stove, microwave, small sink, stainless sink. Nice double hanging closet, well, hanging on the top, shelves on the bottom. Got a 110 outlet here on the wall. I'm gonna back up and kind of give you a visual of the entire LQ. 2 steps up to the bed. If you're looking for a lightweight LQ all aluminum, this would be a great option. Bathroom has separate shower and a corner, or separate shower and toilet, corner shower. They're a good size, by the way. Walk through door, fan, has a cabinet, hanging bar cabinet as well behind the toilet. It does have a sink. You cannot get your arms all the way in this sink area, so I always just try to point out it's a very narrow sink basin, but you do have a second sink in this trailer, which is super nice. So it does have a sink in the bathroom. A lot of these size trailers only have one sink, and that would be the sink there at the kitchen, so this one has two. So again, a 7208 2017 Merhow, excellent shape. This is all real wood cabinetry. This is a cinnamon color cabinetry. So all real wood cabinetry on this trailer. This was a Next Generation. We've changed that name now to Summit. So this is a 2017, excellent shape. I'm gonna call this almost like new to have been used. This trailer's been well cared for and has been maintained and is in excellent shape. This is Ashley. This is Carolina Trailer Sales. Best way to reach me, 828-773-4500. Have a great day.